Disney Toys Review here. Today we're going to be opening the Imaginext Dragonzord RC. This remote-controlled Dragonzord is really cool. It comes with the green Power Ranger. It has this really cool sword that is the remote control. You can command the Dragonzord to move or even to attack. Turn the Green Ranger on the power pad to open the chest. Store extra missiles in Zord's shoulders. The cockpit revealed. The green Power Ranger can fit inside. Rotating cannon launches rapid-fire missiles. Command the Dragonzord and play music from the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers TV show. You can go forward or backwards. Fire the missiles remotely. Shake for tail-whipping action. Collect and create your own Morphinomenal adventure. There's the Morphin Megazord, Goldar and Rita, the White Ranger and Tiger Zord, Pink Ranger and Pterodactyl Zord, Rita Repulsa and Finster, and Battle Armor and Blue Ranger. Wow! Let's open this set up. The Dragonzord comes with this really cool sword that is the remote control to control Dragonzord. We'll look at it in a few minutes. It comes with lots of different missiles. These projectiles are really cool. Let's take a close look at Dragonzord. Dragonzord comes with the green Power Ranger. He's got lots of flexibility. The green Power Ranger can stand on this power pad, or you can turn the power pad and reveal a secret cockpit for the green Power Ranger to ride in. So cool! Your green Power Ranger can ride in the open cockpit, or you can close him inside. You can store some extra missiles here in Dragonzord's shoulders. There's one on both sides. Dragonzord has this nice long tail that swings. You can control it with the remote control. There's a power button that you can turn on or off. Let's check out the lights. He can hold 5 missiles. The remote control is really cool. Push a button to launch the missile. Just keep pushing the button to launch your missiles. On the remote control, you can go forward or you can turn around. You can also make Dragonzord spin around by shaking the remote control. Green Ranger wants to go inside Dragonzord. When Dragonzord is open, you can fire multiple shots with the same push of the button. Wow, this Dragonzord is really cool. Let's see if it can knock down some dinosaurs. Dinosaurs! Dragonzord has won! Yay! Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.